Hi guys! Good morning! Happy Friday! How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hi sa mga afam diha o sa mga naka-afam.
Hi to all the come out there.
Say hi sa mga afam.
Hi.
Andito lang ako sa Konkon Salon.
If
Say,
you need somebody
who's single?
someone
Who's single and ready? Who's single and ready to mingle? Just ask her because she's really single.
wow, sana all.
Double. Ito pa yung sa single po siya. Tulo din sila single. Ada
Yeah,
pa.
this one also is
And this one
single.
also is also single.
Yeah, that one.
Look at her earrings.
Ang bayot yan.
For today's video, our first customer is from LA. Kaya gika maguna siya. You know LA was burning. So, she decided to went to the Philippines for a vacation because she has no already house in the LA because it was burned by wildfires. So, what can you say about your house in the LA?
My house in the LA is burning already.
Pati imong swimming pool nga worth
Yeah. My
Ah.
swimming pool is also burning, worth
Her
of
house-
1 million.
No, it's not just 1 million. It worth $30 million.
Oh, really?
With a swimming pool and a garage, a big garage, almost 1 hectare. Her house. Naka-live na.
Del Datro. Del Datro.
Ay, sabat ito. So,
Ay, 15 kwadrado lang.
sa katengkungan.
Diriro na ito.
She need to clean her nails. Oh. She told me that it's already itchy because of so many ingrown and dry skin.
Ako katong dali mauga kay pagalit na dali mo.
Ano lang. So she's taking as for now she's taking a live. So to the foreigners who's watching there, she's available. Remember, she's Madeline Habuen Petilla. Ayog tutok ang live.
Are you the boob?
Mamasang.
Mala.
This is the Mamasang.
Muni siya kaswa pa customer. This is what we do when we have no customer yet, early in the morning. But for thanks for God's sake, we have already one customer. And the other one is busy.
Busy guy.
Say hi to the lady over the counter, Miss Elsa. She's also single mom with 2 kids, and she's single for almost 40 years. 40 years, dili. She's 30 years
Since
old,
birth.
and this one is 25 years old,
Oh, sana all.
and this is 22. And Tita Tina is 32 years old.
37.
Oh, 37. Sorry. She's busy with her phone. Practice tag-English kay medyo na.
Ito kas wanted on the Jerry.
Dunkin Donut in Nambal.
Dad on the Jerry nga to tagasa to siya.
Mapuyo. Dublin.
Dili sa mapuyo sa kuon
US.
US.
Ayaw, dos California ka masunog. California is so cold to godless town. Bitaw no? It's true.
Akong
Kailangan
inaon diri sa
binatamot.
Dunkin Donut nga. What place are you?
Ano sa? Kuya, what place are you?
Ang Dunkin
Kuyawan
Donut
yung
bawa
mga-
may kuan.
Kuya man yung mga staff sa konkon ay yung mga English po kining dollar.
Practice ta kay nosebleed lagi ta watay ka
Sungay,
istorya.
kapas.
Ano siya among that's our first customer. Should do for hair color after this as well.
Sana all.
And then
Maswit ka.
go for a hair treatment and haircut.
Pili mo pag nang ibikapan. Yan yung like.
And after that,
And
I'll do her makeup. I'll
Later we do
remix service. Naka-live.
Why always slapping? Don't laugh. Don't
Be
laugh.
serious,
You're
okay?
talking.
Be
Hi
serious.
guys, kindly support my vlog para po.
If you do if you making a vlog,
Kaya ako pa man i-edit. Ay mo kagool.
don't kunin ni siya nga nang imo na lang siya ni voice over.
Voice over ka na.
Uy, kalong ni.
Guys, please support my vlog. My name of the name of my YouTube is she's also a vlogger and a content creator. Please kindly support her YouTube channel, Sexy Filipina.
OFW.
Sexy Filipina OFW. And my YouTube
That
also
my
is
YouTube channel.
my YouTube channel is Chubby Filipina. I-edit ko pala. Dili akong ipangan kay Kuan. Pilipinang manikurista.
Hi guys, palimpyo ng madiri guys sa Concon Salon.
Muni siya i-result sa wapay mga trabaho. Wapay mga buhat. Nanambok na imiani.
Buyag.
Palimpyo ng madiri guys.
Akong kilay kay ipantay. Taro nga.
Pag malimpyo ni magtiil no kuan murag
Aking
Gaan.
minamahal.
Feels good. And feels better. Charot.
Which one? Feel better.
Ang imong gipas-an nga kuan. Lami gayon.
Pila ka kilograms yung ipasan?
5 kilos.
Gamay ra.
Gani gamay.
Adto tas Mang Inasal. Mang Inasal will be open soon. In January 28. Oh, mag-open na ang Mang Inasal, guys. So, let's go there.
You know, baka ang English brew coffee, no?
Wala. Is it true?
You know,
Mataas yun akong ilong mo guys makeup.
yan ang sinasabi ko eh.
Diabetic, uric acid, at marami pang iba. Kaya mas marami pa ang tumangkilik at nagtiwala. Kaya ang sakit, huwag mong hintayin lumala.
Aroy,
Hindi mo kailangan.
pahandig-handig na bata niya.